Hello, guys. This is Social Trades once more. I'm not sure what happens to my chart here, but something did happen. Let me try and reload it. Reload this page. Probably the chart will come clean because now it has done some other thing. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's back on. It's back on. It's back on. Still loading, guys. Still loading. Hmm. That that's like my stop there because I was aiming to sell like there, but you see, this is it put me in here, but I did press sell somewhere there. So, but then the stop was just gonna be there because there's this inversion fair value gap here. Let me put it out there. In case this one didn't hold, right? But it proved that since we are bearish and we went through it like butter, it held. No bodies at all in here. That's beautiful, right? So that's very beautiful. That's very beautiful. Okay. And this thing is screaming lower. Like, hey, Blake! Screaming lower. Hmm. Just want you to see this too here, because this is the stuff, right? That's the stuff. Let's go, baby. Come on, Nas. Show them the power. Hmm. This is the low hanging fruit. This is the low hanging fruit, but we also have these, they could just sway with one candle right below these two and this one. So, but then that's the case. That's the low hanging fruit there. That's the low hanging fruit. Can it give us the maximum run and just go all the way? That's what we're watching for on the NAS. No panicking. Don't panic. Don't do it. We've just taken London sell side here. Let me close this part here so you can see. So below London sell side, at least you could have taken something off if you wanted. All right. Let's say you took one off. Mm, let's just wait for it to come back in there. Okay, let me just do this like this. Say this one, you took it below London sell side. I'm just gonna, and what you see here, this is the regular trading hours opening range gap here. This one that you see here. It's high, it's here. Something's happening to this, isn't it? Oh my God. Are they hacking me? Okay, let me take another chart because they don't want me to use this one. Okay, I'm gonna use this one now because that one seems like it's crazy, right? It's doing some crazy stuff. So all I'm looking for is that I want to see this go lower. So all I'm gonna check for is things that support the idea that we are still gonna go lower. You see? Uh, this inversion fair value gap did it play that perfectly. Nothing else but perfectly. Let me zoom in. There's a little volume imbalance there. You see there? You can borrow the range. Here we go. I wanna see this cream lower, nothing else. I wanna see cream lower. I wanna see cream lower. Let me check my chart that side. Maybe it has resetted itself or something. Because this is crazy. So as you can see, this is a real gap, meaning no trading at all. There. You see this? Real gap, no trading at all. So Now we'd like to see, now that we are below it like this, I'd like to see nobody's on the upper half. Also, we have this, right? We're looking at this now. Mm, this is a real gap. So, uh, this is social trades, guys. I'm not looking to go long here. I like to see this continue lower. I don't know about you. Let's see on the 3-minute time frame. Mm. You see what happened here? We went below this real gap, like there, and then the next candle touched its low, and then it can't even close near it. That's weakness right there. So hence we see what it's doing now. I like to see it go lower, gravitate toward new weak open gap high here. That's what I'd like to see. Come on, Nas. Show us your power. Drip lower. Go, Nas. That's the Nas. That's Nas. And you know we in the other side, right? In. Good, find it. Don't know about you, but this is my low risk, right? My low hanging fruit here. Here, so far, so this is the low hanging fruit for me for this. Mm. So let's go on the other side. Just like to see. Okay. Cream lower. Yes, sir. Cream lower. This is the Nasdaq. Nothing. Business. For real, for real, for real. And that's a real gap right there. I know your mentor didn't show you the real gap. Your mentor's just saying stuff. He's saying stuff about why the market is going down, right? Some other stuff, not the real stuff. I'm just saying. That's your mentor. Your mentor's probably out right now, right? The only thing they can do, I don't blame them though, is use like 1:2 in terms of their profits, 1:3. You know, they won't do 1:20. They won't do that. 1:30. They won't do that. This is what this trade can yield, literally. Let's do this. I want to make this guys here a bit smaller. Uh, like there. Okay, okay, okay. Let me move this to the side like there, right there. So that's the regular trading hours opening range gap. Its highs right there, right there, right there, right there. Yes. Okay, let's see the 5-minute, the 15-minute time frame. Okay. Mm. Now everything still looks nice here for me. As I'm looking for at this, let's see, everything looks good, right? This Asian sell side resting here, here. My low risk for take profit hanging fruit is here, and it's a real level. That's why I'm taking profits here, not because of some other stuff, but because of it's an real level from during Asian session, right? And we have yesterday here, you have this from yesterday. Nice two relative equal lows here, right? These two lows, they're nice. Plus this one, there's nice liquidity resting down here. That's what I'm seeing. Don't panic. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy who panicked in the marketplace. Don't be. Okay? So now let's see how this real gap is gonna perform for us here. Hmm. Okay. Remember on this one here, we like to see no bodies on the upper half here, right? We like to see no bodies on the upper half here, right? And then also looking at this here. It was a bearish fair value gap. So we like to see it being reclaim its position or its characteristic and become again a reclaimed bearish FVG, right? Yes, sir. Hmm. Let's see if the NAS wants to give us, the drop. Okay. Okay. We're adding into that. Hmm. Now I'm watching this, how it performs, and I'm looking at candlestick with time. Okay, I'm adding into that. Now I'd like to see this hold and the market, yes, wick like that and go lower. Mm, let's go. Yes, sir. The body closing in here is showing that it's weak and that it's respecting this as an inversion fair value gap to the downside, right? Yes, sir. Now, this week, oof, man, we were demanding that this week becomes lower than this one after this happens. And this is what you see here. And this week also here should be respected, this one that you're watching here. Mhm. Now we're watching this week here. So let's just measure that. Watch it. What am I gonna do right now? I'm gonna remove the other guys. Then all I'm gonna leave is the 50% level. I'm removing the other guys and I'm leaving all that. Just like that. Okay. Let's see. I didn't like to see it do this. So might just want to go higher in this case. Hmm. Okay. Mm, okay. We had a little nice run here. Your mentor probably made money here. Okay. Let's go back into it. Nothing. No fear at all. Then let's go and watch it. Okay, took us out there. Now we want to see how it performs here. Even here, can still hold. Mm, And if it wants to keep going higher, mm, that's possible. Can keep going higher here. Go higher and then give us the sell up there. We'll watch for that. If it wants to keep going higher here, mm, I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. Mm, Okay. So if this is gonna go higher here, okay, it's performing nice. This is what I wanna see here. Remember, these levels are here. Let me put them a bit closer so we can see them. These are the levels of the opening range here. So this is beautiful. Closing below 50% of the opening range gap. And this candlestick wicking like this, I'm adding another one, bro. Oh. So here, if we write, we like to see it go like now, not go any higher. Because if it goes any higher here, it might just want to take this high here and keep going higher. That's it. It will keep wanting to go higher. Yes. If it goes higher here, it will want this here. Yes, it's gonna seek these two relative equal highs here. It's gonna seek that. And then there is PM by side resting here. Is it gonna seek that too? We'll be watching. Mm. Real tight, right? But I'm not gonna increase this stop here. It's either we are right or we are wrong here. So, nah. Can already see that it's gonna keep going higher, no stress. There we go. It's going higher. No problem with that. It can actually just shoot up. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, that's cool. Don't do that. Keep going higher then. If you're going higher, keep going higher, Ness. What I'm gonna do now is remove all levels and leave the high and just 50% of there. So now we at like regular trading. Our opening range high here. That's the high here. RTH high. What date? To June, eh? To June 26, guys. I'm not writing that out. So this is the first present. The green one here is the first presented fair value gap after 7. Mm. hmm So now, this is beautiful, right? Because we have two relative curl highs here. Can easily smack that. I'll go to full screen. Mm. Mhm. So between these two, you can see that they smacked this side here, going lower. So it's more reasonable, I guess, now that it's here and above 50% of the opening range gap, to keep going higher and take out these two guys and get in here. So we're gonna see what it wants to do in here. Then if it wants to keep going higher, let's see, can it take out these guys? And then we're gonna see, can it give us something nice, to deal with? Because if we go to 3 minutes, let's see. Mm, okay, nice. I like the speed. The way it's going higher like this. I like that speed. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the 1 minute. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Inversion fair value gap on H1 here. Mm. Mm. Now this is interesting, but we're gonna wait now. Let's go to the 1 hour and see. Mm. 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 Okay, see. Trap traders here, in here. So this is a balance price range here. These are trap traders who went short. So it won't come back there. It will keep going higher. Okay, see, it may wanna keep going higher here to take out this. So we'll watch for that. Let's see. Does it wanna do that? Does it give us any indication anyway? Any sign that uh, hmm, this is a bullish breaker here. So let's just see something on that bullish breaker. Oh, let's go in here and see. Okay, we are below the breaker here. Mm, I like what I see here. I like it. Yeah, I do. Okay, seems like I gotta go lower. Okay. Ah, I'm adding to this one. I'm adding again. I see this going higher here. The social trades. Let's go, baby. Like to see it go above here, and then we wanna see the action here. Basically, the action. To go through this with speed. If we do that, then we can anticipate this. Let's go. Whew. That's a trade right there. That's CP. But so that's like a trade. But I'm not looking for that. I wanna see, does it wanna go through this or what? I wanna see that. Because if we can do that, then we can start to look for something there. We can look for that there. Mm. We just want to see how it's gonna get through this. We just wanna see. We just wanna see. Can it go through this with strength? no resistance at all, and use the high. And this is the daily 50% wick from yesterday, this one. So we can go through it, use this as a ladder, give us this there. Mm. I'm gonna go under 1 hour here. What I wanna do is, okay, now we are above this initial previous entry into this. We are above it, so we are literally watching. Can it get through this with like, yes, just like this with speed, and then use the this wake here, 50% wake daily from the daily, and also respect the upper half here, and then putting nobody's here. When I see now it hit the daily wake, 50% wake from yesterday. Mm, let's see. Does it go through it and use it as some form of support in order to go higher? Let's see. So if it holds, we're gonna go short and ignore this. And how are we gonna know? We're gonna know. We're gonna know. I'm gonna know. Where's my phone? I'll use my phone for some entries. So we're just waiting now. I wanna see how that performs. No, yakuyawuzwa. Just the nanekhopela support. Wena unsubscribela fela. Unsendela screenshot. And then the lori wena you don't watch like YouTube like that. Just the at least they really support how. Oko ka no further. So I'm just watching this. As soon as I feel like this has qualified as an inversion, we're gonna sell it and put stops above here. Oh yes, sir. But they just wanna see what it does. If it can come, does it wanna take this low here? If it does that, it will take me out. Then I'll just look for this as an inversion to the downside. Sell it, put stops, a stop here. And then I want the big, oh man, I want the big run, buddy. I want the big run. Not that you need a big run, guys, to be a good trader. That's how I do it. Don't know how you do it. Okay, yeah. Seems like this is just being respected nicely. Nicely. So it's still going high as you see here. Uh, Other block, bam. So I just want to see, can it keep going high here? If it does it use this to keep going high and take out this? That's what I'm looking for now. Ed, let's go higher. Let's go. Let's go. Uh, okay. You see that now this candlestick has just hit 50% of this. Let's see, can it go through it? Because if it does that, we can see if it's gonna use this. Now this level is constantly being hit, hit again. Let's see, let's see. Okay, we're above it now. We're above it now. Since you're above it, no need to lose the trade. We'll just do something like that. Right. Now we're gonna watch this trade. Can it go and give us that there? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Mhm. Go on the left and see if what we have here. Give us data. So we have some nice relative equal highs here. So, oh my God. No, no, not you. Go back. Mm, okay. It's gonna escape you too. So now, mm, okay. Okay, now I'm really watching this. Does it use this daily 50% of the wick from the daily? Does it use that and go higher? Right? Because if you can do that, then I know that we're looking for this. And then we're gonna go above them like crazy. So I'm just gonna do that. Uh, let's confirm that. Still going higher. We're still waiting. So it seems like the market here wants to keep going higher. So we'll watch. I'm watching that. Mm. Put my stop somewhere there. Because it's either this thing will use this to go higher or it's gonna switch and give us a nice sell right there to go lower. So I'm watching. I wanna see. I'm watching. I'm watching. Because if this is a failed high, this order block here is like a false order block. Therefore, a false in the sense that you should not buy it, right? You should not buy it. It's gonna be ran. So that's hence my stop is here. I'm looking at what? If it comes and do this, I start entertaining the idea of going lower here. I will. Okay. Don't even come here. So might continue going higher. Let's watch. Mm. I was gonna mark the smooth areas here before I turn to the other sides. So this high and this high, even this one and this one. So we're watching there. Does it want to seek that? Hmm. Now can it start running quickly there? I'm watching that. I'm watching that. Yeah, this is the NAS. This is the NAS. As you can see, like we're looking for PM buy side from yesterday. We're gonna go and take them out up there. That's what we're looking at. And that's me there. That's my stop. Everything's set. Risk-free trade currently. That's the NAS. Let's go, baby. Mm. Yeah, yeah. 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 NAS, the NAS. You see, like looking for PM buy side yesterday. When I take them out. So now let's watching this fair value gap here. What does it do? Or does it? There's a small one here, but I'm just watching this one here. Mm. Then there's a little volume imbalance up there. Yeah, in between there. So that's that. So I'm watching this now. What does this do? What does it do? Okay, I'm watching it. Cause it might be the inversion fair value gap, this one, to the downside. So just watching it. We have some nice buy side resting here also. So we're also watching for that. Okay. Mm. Okay, okay. See the 3 minute time frame there. In the 3 minute time frame, we're inside this guy here. You see this guy there? Yeah, we're inside him. Okay. No matter, let's go back to the minute and see. Okay, let's see on the 3 minute 1 month once more. Because that's very important information. So, okay, this is the highest. So this is an inversion. This can just hold on based on 3 minutes. Let's just put it in there. From there to there to somewhere there. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, there we go. So now, what we're seeing here is that this 3 minute inversion fair value gap is holding, right? Because of nobody's on the upper half, just wicks. That's beautiful. Let's go in the 1 minute. So based on the minute, if now taking out this low for me, it's gonna initiate, this is gonna be the inversion now, fair value gap. I'm watching for that. Some are already selling here as an inversion because they saw it on the 3 minute, but I'm waiting. I want to see, does it take this low here? So I'm watching here. Do we break higher or do we respect this here? I'm watching that. And we're seeing that Mm, okay. See, so it's going higher. Okay, so now mm, this behavior here telling me we're respecting this as an inversion. Have a look at. But let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Does it take this low? Let's let it do that, and we'll start entering shorts here. Yeah, yeah. It's a record. Okay, we just want to see how it's gonna perform here. Because if you can see now, it's playing right there on that daily wick here. 50% of that wick is playing right there on it. That's algo. The algo is hitting. So we want to see, does it treat it as a discount array because we were above it? Or does it breach it? And now that we are below it, it's a premium array. Does it do that? You're watching. If it breaks any of these here, that's telling me exactly that this is now bearish, right? It is now bearish. So I'm gonna wait now. Zoom in. We will get there. That's out. No problem. Gonna go back in here, selling this. Gonna look for something to sell here and do it. Break away from value gap here. Breaking away out of this. See, gonna sell this one right here. Institutional entry drill. That's what it wants to do. Let's see. Does it do that? If it does that, that's a sell here. That's a stop can be here or just above this candlestick here. That's it. Let's go. That's what I'm watching for. Okay. I'm going short in here. Let's go limits. Okay. This is nice movement from here, right? If you sold here, stop there. That's beautiful. So I'm watching, can I get something in here? That's what I'm watching for. Hmm. And that's a short. I'm going right there. Guys, I was out a bit for a minute, so probably it's gonna sell there. So I just went in right here. Right. And also I'm gonna just now start looking at this one here. So now I'm anything in here that's a short. Uh-uh. Yeah. Uh-uh. Okay, one. Yeah, what? This is like the low-hanging fruit here. And this is like what you could look for there for sell side here. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, now just gonna watch this value gap here. This one here. Just gonna watch this one. This here seems like it's a breakaway here. Just went. So I'm just watching this here. Not this one here, but this here. Mm. This is the regular trading hours, opening range gap. Watching that. Okay. Now it's coming back in here. I'm gonna add anything in here. I'm adding. So there's another cell there.
Your call has been.
Okay. Let's I'm gonna add again in here. If it comes in here, I'm adding more. Okay, let's add another one. And then we're just gonna see how this performs. If it keeps going higher here, that's that. So that's like my last one, and that's it. Sure.
Sure. Unyaka
Usubscribe mo YouTube. Mo YouTube mo message ko WhatsApp. Seems like it was to, let's see what it does. Does it, after this, I'm demanding that this like goes lower now. Otherwise, it's just gonna keep going higher. Very good. Yeah, this one.